Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's October 30th, 2022, and I thought I'd give you a heads up about a possibility that our YouTube channel could be taken down. A little bit of background history. I've been making videos for about 10 years, posting them. Got over 900 videos, I think, that we posted on YouTube. And one of the requirements whenever you're posting videos on YouTube is you have to give credit to any material that someone else has produced, including music as well. And if you don't adequately give credit to for music or clips that you're including in your videos, you get what's called a copyright claim lodged against you. Now, most of the time that means nothing as long as you go ahead and you rectify the situation, or you explain, oh, this audio track that I included is royalty-free, copyright-free, and it's the approval by the artist, and you put it in the description. So in many of the videos you'll see music provided by in the description down below. For years now I've been using a program called Camtasia. Currently I'm using Camtasia 2022, but the videos that Camtasia, the program that Camtasia uses, offers you the ability to use copyright-free audio tracks and all. And years ago, back in before 2018, I lost a lot of my data on the Camtasia program that I used to use years ago. So I've had 2018, 2019, 2022, and so on. And this is the software that I use to zoom in, to pan out, to merge, to add different videos, to put a soundtrack, to speed things up, time lapse and all. Just so I can include as much information as I can and demonstrations in the videos. And there are folks out there that are taking advantage of putting into YouTube saying, hey, that's copyrighted stuff that this person's using. Usually it's one of my videos that gets quite a few hits. So like today I got a copyright claim. I think there's 4,700 views on it, and which is rare for me to have one that has so many views. But it was on composting systems inside of a chicken coop that I did back in 2017. And I got a copyright claim today in email, and this is a legitimate one from YouTube. I'm always getting spam ones trying to get me to click on a link and all. But in the past, when I've had these legitimate ones from YouTube, I just go ahead and I say, okay, this is from this program, or it's from YouTube Audio Library, where I get many of my videos from. And within a week's time, YouTube contacts me and says, oh, it's been dismissed and all. But there are folks out there that one of the ways that they make their money is, if there's a YouTube video that's being played that gets enough views, that they get some sort of credit for it, they get monetized for it. And I don't have a way of going back and verifying my 2017 videos because I've lost the Camtasia no longer offers those same free audio files, I don't think, and I can't really contact them even though I have their latest program. But anyways, so I got the copyright claim today, and I went ahead and filled out the information. I just said, look, I believe this is one of the audio tracks that was included with the Camtasia program that I was using to edit these videos and all. And at the end of your submission for your reason for this shouldn't receive a copyright claim, at the end of it, you sign a statement with your signature saying that, you know, if anything that I'm saying is false, the YouTube will take down your channel. So there's always a possibility. I just don't have proof of that audio file. But in the past, what I've done when there's been the older ones, I've just gone ahead and take down the video and all, and no longer will YouTube let you edit those old videos to remove the soundtrack, unfortunately. So it is what it is. a long story short that I'm making too long here is that my channel may just end abruptly and I won't have the ability to start a new channel if the other person persists and all. But this is one of those audio tracks that I used in multiple videos, but anyone that gets lots and lots of hits, for me, lots and lots of hits, nothing, I mean, many YouTube's producers, they get tens of thousands of views in their first day. So getting 4,700 or 4,800 views over a several year period is about as good as my videos get. So I just wanted to let you know, I think YouTube is a great and absolutely fantastic resource for all of us to use, to get information, to share information. It's absolutely fantastic. I have no significant complaints, and I understand with the hundreds of hours of YouTube videos that are being uploaded every minute, there's no way for the people or their artificial intelligence to go back and follow every single little channel like mine to make sure that what I'm saying is true and what the other person's doing is just trying to take advantage of a small channel. So just wanted to let you know that no reason to be alarmed. I just want people to know that, you know, on this channel, I've been subscribing for a while. You at least saw this video before it's gone. Just in case they do take the channel down. I'm just not going to just take the videos down that are getting pretty decent hits when it, by all means, what has happened is someone else is trying to take advantage of it. So don't be worried about anything. I'm still in good spirits. We're going to keep doing what we're doing. More videos to come shortly, but just to give you a heads up in case the channel disappears all of a sudden. Thanks so much for watching, folks. Take good care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye-bye now.